Hello everybody, Nolan of Black Diamond Services. Just wanted to do a quick video. I'm out here at a job that doesn't look like it needed it really at first. Mainly in this room and this hallway. But this carpet has got that perfect color just about that hides the dirt very well. But right here, I haven't touched it. This wasn't the worst area. It was more so in front of where the couch was sitting. You can see those two indentations right below the outlet. But this carpet hides it pretty well. So if you have a carpet in your house like this, and it has been, I'd say even only a year, maybe 2 years, you might want to consider getting it cleaned, even though it may not necessarily look like it's in that bad a shape, because this one is basically an Airbnb, so it doesn't have people in it daily. And this carpet's been in a little over a year, the client mentioned, and it's already a couple shades different in color where I haven't cleaned here. And this steps down too, so anytime you step down onto something like the staircase, or it wears a little harder because you're putting more pressure down initially, and if you pivot your feet into a position, it's going to wear it down or attract more stuff onto it. In the first 3 to 5 steps, usually on any carpet off a hard surface, if anything's on your feet, that's mostly where it's going to land. So hallways are always one of the first to get beat down, look different, but especially in here where the entire living room has a step down to get into it. So just wanted to go over that. Even though you got darker carpet, yes, it's nice that it hides it so it doesn't look like it really basically does, but don't let that fool you or put off getting it cleaned, because you want to prolong the life of your investment here, so that way you don't have to replace it as soon. That's the purpose of cleaning it, just to maintain it, get the dry soil, dirt, and any stains, if anything, out of it, keep it nice and presentable, and make it last as long as you can. So yeah, just wanted to go over that. I have a carpet kind of like this. It hides it really well, but I have kids and some pets, so I do it quite often just because I can, but at least once a year might be a good idea, depending on your overall traffic in the home. But yeah, hopefully you find this useful in this kind of a situation, but this is just what I came across, and it gave me an idea to do a quick video. So hope you enjoyed. If you do, I'll be doing more videos down the road, and trying to do at least one a week if possible, and get it uploaded as soon as possible. But if you like it, please subscribe. Hit that little bell button on there so you get notifications, and the like button. Leave me a comment if you like. Tell me what type of videos you want to see, and I will see if I can make some that you'd like. I'm always open to suggestions, regardless of if it's criticism or not. Help me make better videos for you. Right now I'm just using my phone. I do have an older GoPro that I plan on doing some more stuff with that I have on previous videos. It's just this is a little more convenient at the time. But yeah, if there's anything you want to see, feel free to shoot me a comment. I'm open to suggestions, especially if you're not a carpet cleaner, something you want to see done so you can get an idea of what to expect when you do hire somebody. I'd be happy to try and put something together when time and the job allows it. So thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day.